So you pick up your brand new contacts. They're supposed to last 2 weeks to a month. They feel great at first, but about 3 days in, they are uncomfortable. Your eyes are irritated. Let me give you 3 reasons why this is happening and what you can do about it. Number 1, you're wearing the wrong type of lens. There's 2-week lenses, there's monthly lenses, but there's also something called a daily lens. You need to find the right modality for your lifestyle. If you're very active, you work in dirty, dusty environments, the more frequent replacements is going to be better for your eyes. This is going to make your lenses a lot more comfortable. So talk to your eye doctor. Different daily lenses also have different materials. You want one that's going to be the most compatible with your eye chemistry and will give you the longest lasting life out of that lens. Number 2, you have dry eyes and the contact lenses are making it worse. Now, if you've listened to any of my videos in the past, you know that dry eye is a misnomer. Dry eye does not mean that your eyes are not wet. It means that your tear film is unstable. So you take a giant piece of plastic, the contact lens, put it on your eye. What do you think that's going to do? Make it even more unstable. So you want to do everything you can to have the most stable tear film, which is treating your dry eye. We've talked about this ad nauseum. You want to clean those eyelids, get the bacteria off the lids and lashes, give yourself less inflammation on those lids, you'll produce better tears. In addition, applying heat to your lids helps the glands produce the oil layer that goes over your tears and stops them from evaporating. This is going to hydrate your lenses. In addition, you can use artificial tears. We prefer Sustain Complete because it provides the oil layer that most patients are lacking. So you want to take care of the underlying cause of the dryness, and that'll give you more comfort in the contact lenses. Number 3, screen time is drying out your lenses. Now, screen time gets the majority of the attention, but any focused task set near, you can be coloring, you can be reading a book on paper. Anytime you're looking up close and you're focusing, you're not gonna blink. You know how your contact lenses stay hydrated? You blink your eyes. You're on a computer, screen, whatever you're doing, if you're really concentrated, that blink rate is cut in half. So this is gonna cause your contact lenses to dry out. They can only do so much, and over the course of a week to a month, the lack of hydration, the lack of moisture is gonna make those contact lenses a lot less comfortable. Going back to point number 1, this is why a daily contact lens is the absolute best option because it's a fresh lens every day. So there you have it. Those are the top 3 reasons that I see patients are not getting the full life out of their contact lenses. All of these are easily treatable, things that you can do something about. So make sure you talk to your eye doctor, communicate with them, and they're gonna find a customizable solution that fits your needs. I love talking about the eyes. I like making sure that you get the most out of your vision. So if you like the content that I'm giving you, make sure you like, hit the bell, subscribe. We have new content coming out every week.